She's my ride or die, baby. She's cool, she's my crazy, she's my laid back in the front seat.
This quick tip is for helping kids who get very overwhelmed during the holiday season. Now, if you have a child that gets very overwhelmed and you have a breakaway space already designed, a really good tip is to develop some kind of a code that you and your child can use in order to signal each other for use of the break space. So if you notice your child is becoming overwhelmed and they don't, you'll be able to give them the code to help navigate them to their break space so that way they can de-escalate. Or if your child is overwhelmed and you're not noticing it, have them give you that signal so that way you know that it's time to take a break. So it's just a really discreet way for you and your child to communicate that helps them to access the break space that they'll use to really help self-soothe and help self-regulate. So try a code. It can be very helpful, and some kids really like it because it's discreet and gives them a sense of control over the situation.
Boots, likes to slow dance to some old school. She